Hey guys, so this Super Nintendo has audio issues, and when you power it on, you hear nothing basically coming out of the TV. So in this video, I just wanted to show you how I troubleshooted and fixed the audio issue for this console. Before we get started, I assume that you already know how to disassemble your Super Nintendo, so I won't cover that in detail. Let's just jump right into it. Since I already knew this Nintendo console isn't producing any sound, to tackle it, I did some research and studied the schematics of this specific model, which is a 1992 year build. This helped me pinpoint the audio components on the PCB board itself. After identifying the correct components, I picked up my multimeter. I connected the probes to each side of the audio capacitors. The purpose of this is to detect any shorts in the faulty capacitors. If the multimeter buzzed when touching a capacitor, I knew I'd found the culprit. So here, I'm just touching each side of the capacitor here. And over here, there was no sound coming out of the multimeter at all. There was no buzzing sound whatsoever. So I knew that capacitor was fine. And then I moved to the next one. Again, connecting the probes to each side of the capacitor. There we go, we found the problem. The beeping sound means that there is a short in the faulty capacitor. After identifying the faulty capacitor there, I managed to find the correct part number for it. And I went ahead and purchased one and replaced it. Okay, I've gone ahead and replaced the capacitor there. Because obviously this is a different type of capacitor, we'll just need to lay it down flat. Once it's complete, I have just temporarily placed it like that to make sure it works after we test it. And I have actually put some masking tape there to make sure there's no shortages happen there afterwards. Okay, I'm going to test that now. So we have plugged it in. Moment of truth. Boom. Okay. Yay! We got it working. That's great. So I thought I'd just give you a quick update on how I clean this little capacitor up and place it properly so it doesn't actually get in the way of any other components that we're going to put together here. And that turned out really well. I'm sure you guys would be able to do a much better job than myself, but this one does the job for me at the moment. Thanks everyone for watching.